Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 9 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings. And of course I'll show you both. So maybe let's begin with the quickest one. So let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad, and here we have to enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another, not another code, but another way in which will allow us to check those numbers. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's find and open the settings. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Now we have to find the status option. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and here we've got the serial number of this device. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your REALME 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.